Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today we will show you how to make an origami candy plate. Kashizara, we say in Japanese. It's a traditional fancy plate. You will see us placing konpeito, Japanese sugar candies, introduced to Japan from Portugal in the 1500s inside it once made. First, place a piece of origami with patterned side face up. Fold in half horizontally. Unfold. Fold in half again vertically, then unfold. Bring the bottom right corner to the middle, bottom left to middle, top right to middle, and finally top left to middle. Now it's a perfect square. Turn it over. Bring the bottom corner to the middle, right corner to middle, top corner to middle, and finally left corner to middle. Fold the top right corner to the middle, then unfold. Fold again to the line you just made. Do the same for 3 other corners. Those are going to be the mini legs of the plate. Turn it over. Open 4 triangles up one by one, then it's done. Now it's time to place konpeito. The bag contains different flavors and colors. Depending on what kind of candies you buy and where you buy from, you can enjoy tasting flavors from green tea, brown sugar, strawberry, watermelon, and so much more. But textures and sizes are usually the same. Try one today. Thank you for watching. Happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。Please subscribe our channel if you like what you just watched or would like to support us. Please feel free to leave a comment or two. If you have any questions, ask us. We'll try to answer them for you. Any feedback is appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The latest info will be posted there. Happy folding, everyone!